Hi there and welcome to Tech Life, a channel where I aim to review everything from selfie sticks to laptops to IDs for coding, video editing, software for producing thumbnails, essentially anything tech related. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you have anything that you think I should review, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to review that product.
In this short video, we're going to be unboxing another drone. And this one is from a company called JJRC. It's the H36. And the reason I bought this was because a couple of weeks ago I bought this little guy, and the problem with this guy is it didn't come with prop guards. And so I've been basically bouncing this off my walls and damaging the props on this in order to learn how to fly these things, because they can be a bit tricky. So that's one of the problems with this drone. This is the E88S. So it doesn't come with prop guards. Normally the prop guards, they would extend out to here, and I did look on the internet and I bought this from Banggood. So I jumped on Banggood to see if I could purchase prop guards for this particular model of drone, and I couldn't find anything. So I ended up buying this. So this has got obviously the prop guards around there, and it's hopefully it comes with a small controller. But let's break into this. So this is not a great start. I received the package earlier this morning. I haven't opened it yet, but there's a massive dent in there. I'm hoping that hasn't done any amount of damage to the product inside. And how do we get into this? That's the question. There's cut along here. No, it's along there. It's on the side. Okay, so that's the box. As I say, this is JJRC H36. It's 2.4 gigahertz. It's got 6-axis gyro drone. What else? Yep, 6-axis headless mode, return to home, 2 different speeds, 2.4 gigahertz. So in the box we get the instructions manual. Again, the instructions manuals on these contained within these drones are just like, actually this isn't too bad, it's quite professional. The other one was terrible. So you get the instructions manual, you get a little bag of spares. So you get extra props, and I'm not too sure what this is. It's some sort of dongle. We'll have to read the instructions to find out what that is. And then you get this is a battery, a really tiny battery, and then so this is the little controller. That is small. That is really small. So in comparison, this is a controller I got with the E88S, and that's a controller you get with this H36. Pretty tiny, but yeah, for my big hands, it is a bit small. If obviously you've got smaller hands, and then yeah, so that is really small. This is ideal size, and that one is slightly less ideal. Anyway, so that is a controller, and then the actual drone itself. And look at this guy. That is tiny. But the main thing is it's got the prop guard, so you can use it indoors. It hasn't got a camera. This cost me, if my memory serves me correctly, it cost me about £12, and then I had to pay a couple of pounds on top to get it delivered. So it's about £14–15. There's already a battery attached, and I think that plugs into here. So you get 2 batteries. You get the controller. You get the instructions. You get extra props, and you get that dongle. I'm not sure what the dongle is. Oh, I know what it is. So you plug this into your PC, and then you plug your battery into this guy, and that's how you charge the batteries. Cool. I'll charge up the batteries, so I'll read the instructions, and then I'll make another video of this flying around the house.
Okay, so I'm going to wrap this short video up. This was the unboxing of a 12-pound drone in the UK, at least anyway. It's the JJRC H36. I'm going to charge it up. I'll charge up the little batteries, and then I'll create another video and show you guys how it performs flying around indoors. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will catch you in the next one. Thank you very much.